Hey guys, today's video is on how to create a YouTube thumbnail. So let's begin. First of all, open PicsArt. Once you open PicsArt, select the type of background you want and you choose. The procedure is the same as for the other videos that I have uploaded, so you can follow them. I have selected this background. So later, what you have to do is crop it. Second, select on crop and then select on YouTube. Then say OK. Then click on resize the image to 1280 and 720 to the right. Next procedure is to type. So you select on text and you type in your details like my thumbnail or anything that you prefer and you need. So once you type all that, you click on done. Then you can select the different types of fonts you want to apply. You can select different types of colors. You can select the gradient type, texture, stroke,